Let's practice inserting a comment. So still in sheet 3, we might want to explain why we expect year 2022 to be such a negative gross profit. So let's insert a comment, and we do that by either going to the Review tab and pressing this button, New Comment, or you can hit Shift F2. And here, let's just write gross profit will be negative this year due to pricing compression. Then when you want to exit out of the comment, just hit Escape twice. So Escape twice. And now note that we have a little red flag to indicate that there's a comment in that cell. If you want to remove that column, you can press the Delete button there. Or you can hit Shift F10, and then that will bring up the right-click menu, and you can press Delete Note and press Enter, and you can do that all with your mouse.